Good morning, students. Today we will complete our chapter 3 of English grammar, that is noun and its kind. In our previous lesson, we learned the three kinds of noun, that is proper noun, common noun and collective noun. So today, before begin our new lesson, we will do a quick recall of whatever we have done in this chapter. So, noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Person, as someone's name, Rahul, Shyam, Narendra Modi, etc. Place, Mount Abu. Garden, Jaipur, Udaipur. Some colony's name, that will also come under place. Animal, elephant, tiger, lion. Thing, pencil, chair, table, bag, sharpener, notebooks, books, etc. So, let's move further towards the kinds. The first is proper noun. Proper. These are the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. If you will look at this word particular, means a specific name of a person, place, animal or thing. For example, Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is the name of a particular person. So this will come under proper noun. If you will look at the first letter of the word, that is N. So when we will write the proper noun, it's compulsory to make the first letter capital. Okay, it's a rule in proper noun that when we are writing proper noun in a sentence, we have to write the first letter capital. Okay, students. Now, second, Jaipur. Jaipur is a name of a particular place. So, it will also begin with a capital letter, that is J. Now, next is common noun. Common noun are the general name of person, animal or thing. For example, river. There are many rivers in India or in the world. Mountain. There are many mountains in the world. Boy. All the boys' name. For example, Rahul, Shyam. That will come under boys category. Now river. Rivers are too many in number. Now let's look at the difference between proper noun and common noun. For example, river. There are many rivers in India. So the river will come under common noun. But when I will talk about the Ganga river or the Brahmaputra river, means I am talking about a particular river. So that time it will come under proper noun. Same, mountain. There are too many mountains in India. But when I am talking about particular mountain or specific mountain, that is Mount Everest, Aravalli range, then it will come under proper noun. And when we will write this, I will write the first letter capital because this is a proper noun. Boy. There are too many boys or girls in the classroom. But when I will talk about a particular or specific person name, for example, Neil. Neil is a single boy in the classroom. Or I can say that there is only one boy in the classroom whose name is Neil. So that time it will come under the category of proper noun. So that is the difference between proper noun and common noun. Now next is collective noun. Collective noun are the set or group of a person, animal or thing. For example, books. There are too many books in a room and that is known as library. So, a books of library. A class of students means where too many students are there, that will known as class, a class of students. Bouquet, a bouquet of flowers. A single flower, that time I will call it a flower. But when too many flowers are there or a bunch of flowers are there, then it will be known as a bouquet of flowers. There are too many examples of collective noun as a flock of sheep or cows, a pride of lions, a parliament of owls, and etc.